This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect cells within Google Sheets. This is useful if you're sharing a spreadsheet with a lot of people with editing privileges, but you don't want them to be able to edit all of the cells within that sheet. So I have a spreadsheet here with a list of names and information that people can fill in about themselves, but I don't want people messing up each other's information. So what you can do is you highlight the cell that you want to protect, then you right click, then click View More Cell Actions, then select Protect Range. Once you do this, this box on the right will open where you can enter a description. Since I am going to be making permissions for each row of information, I'm just going to call this John, and you want to make sure that you're protecting the range and not the entire sheet in this instance because you are trying to protect or give permissions for editing to different rows for different people. So click on Set Permissions. This box will then appear showing you how you can customize your permissions for the rows, and I'm going to select this drop-down menu and then select Custom. Here, I can assign editing privileges for these rows or for this row to specific people. So in Add Editors, I'm going to type my other Google account, and now I'm going to click Done. Note that if you have not already shared this document with the people who you're going to give these permissions to, you have to share the document with them as well, which prompts this box to appear. And for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to select Allow anyone with the link to edit. So now, while anyone with the link can see this document, only John Smith can edit his row of information. To show that, I'm going to open up an incognito window, and I'm going to copy and paste that link to the document here. And now here is the document with me in incognito mode. So notice that I am able to edit Mary Johnson's row, but when I try to edit John Smith's row, I get this box. There's a problem. You are trying to edit a protected cell or object. You can go ahead and repeat that process for each of the cells and then share the document with all of the people involved, and they will only be able to edit their specific row, protecting the integrity of your document. This video shows you how to protect cells in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.